G'day mate, Rob here from Suttons Trucks in Sydney. Adam's asked me to send through a quick video of the power tail, just to run you through the operations of it. This control box, obviously for the power tail, just to use it from the rear. I've got young Daniel here, just going to go through the operation of it. Very straightforward, just drop the back down. Ramps obviously come out. Adam's asked me just to do a couple of measurements, mate. So basically from this point here, right down to the rear at the end of the ramps. You're about 4'3" roughly. Just a measurement here between the ramps. So obviously from internal between the two. Basically straight on 1000 there. Just the height here. With the bags dropped. Just over 1000 there. As Adam discussed on the phone to you, we did change just this front panelling here. It's been fully replaced, just had a couple of dents in it, obviously from the previous owner. Has got the lights up the top, of course. Toolbox underneath here. It's on the near side. I can't show you the Bowser on the other side. The separate tank this side, as Adam discussed. And for refueling, just there, and that's totally separate, as Adam said, from the main tank. We'll just run through the operation of it closing up, which is very easy. Hi mate, hopefully that'll give you a bit of an idea around the truck and obviously the operations of how it works. If you've got any more questions, please do give myself a call or obviously Adam. And if you need any more videos, let us know and we can always take whatever else you need. Thanks bud.